All right. Welcome, everyone. I wanted to talk to you briefly about SurveyMonkey and using SurveyMonkey for your survey. Excuse me. As I did last night, this is the survey that I started to work on when we were in class, but I'm going to go ahead and edit this survey and show you. I've gone in and made a few changes. I added the words up here at the top, and that's just a matter that'll be in there already. So you'll just need to, this is what the name of the survey is, and I copied it. I want to show you here in the classroom. I copied it right from. Yep, here we are. We're there already. I copied it right from the assignment. So if you go here, and then here's the communication audit survey. I'm going to open that up, and you can copy and paste back and forth. You may have to do a little bit of formatting to make it work, and of course it's taken a long time. But here's your survey, and then here are your questions. And let me go back over to SurveyMonkey, and you can see here I've done receiving information from others. I've added all the different topics, and this sets up so somebody can easily go on and do it. Here's another one, and here's the third one that I've done. And if you just to add a new question, the questions that I'm using, the style of question that I'm using is the matrix rating scale. So if you use this style, oops, I was trying to get that. It doesn't want to cooperate here. I guess I just can't go down any further. I'm trying to get it so you can see this whole window. But, this is the style of question that you want to have. And then along the top, you just want to put the very little. And again, if you want to change the name of these, go right ahead. I don't think they're the greatest descriptions, but it's our assignment. So, whoops, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to pick a matrix rating scale question. So here we go. So here you have the rows, and these are going to be, I'm going to go to the end here, to the last one. This would be the channels of communication section of the 5 sections that we have. And then I'll just go to this question, and I'm going to put channels of communication in the top, and then I'm going to put face-to-face contact between two people. That'll go in, again, and I'll just copy that and paste it in, and all those will get going. And as you put it in the next one, a new column will be there, and then a new row label will be there, and then the column labels are going to be your criteria. The one which is very little, and you could copy these too, and then 2, which is little, and then 3, which has a word of its own there, some, and then 4 is great, and then 5 is very great. All right. So here we have, here you have face-to-face contact between two people. I'm going to add one more in here. I'll copy that one as well. We'll copy it, put it in here, and then that'll be it. So we'll click save. And there's our, channels of communication. And we would just add the other ones in down here at the bottom. And while there's a 10 question limit on the free accounts, each one of these is only one question. So, it's pretty easy to set up and do. I encourage you to do this and get on this quickly so you can get it out to people. Now for people to respond to your survey, now that if you get to the end here and you're all set to go, you just want to go to next. You don't need to. We won't go into the preview section. We'll go right to the next, which is collect responses, which I've got another link, but we'll just go over here. It's the same thing. I think I just need to, here's the link, and here we'll just copy this. And then all you need to do is give somebody this link in email or however, you can text it to them, I suppose. And then, I've already taken the survey, but it'll take them right to the survey. So this is the easiest way to do it. I would encourage you, it'll probably take you an hour to put the survey together, and then it's much easier to collect it. And then you can analyze the results. I've done a little bit here. I've taken it a few times, I guess, on different, I'm going to skip over this, and here are the scores. And you can do this in different ways. The results don't look so good now because I haven't gone into to format them. But, you can do it this way. Let's see. Oh, it won't let us do that. That's something that we can't do. So you might have to, exporting it might be tough here. But you'll have it all. You'll have it all in one place, so it shouldn't be that bad once you get the results. Yeah, I don't think it'll be. Because my chart looks a little weird because I haven't done all the questions too. So, yeah, you could just use like a chart like this and you'll have to do it manually. But believe me, it'll be much easier than having to do the whole thing manually. So, there we go. Let's see. And what do we got here for present results? We'll have to figure that out. Maybe we'll talk a little bit more about this next week. Good luck. Thanks. Bye.